In this video, I'll guide you through how to void or delete an invoice in Xero. This is really useful if you've created an invoice by mistake, sent it to the wrong customer, or simply no longer need it in your accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can clean up your invoices without stressing about breaking anything in your books. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard, which gives you an overview of your business finances. From here, we're going to navigate to the Invoices area where all your sales invoices live. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming into your business, like quotes, invoices, and customer payments. Go ahead and click on Sales. If you're using a slightly different layout, it may appear as business first and then invoices, but the idea is the same. You want the section that holds your sales invoices. Once you're in the sales area, you'll see several options, and the one we're interested in is invoices. Click on invoices to open the full list of invoices for your organization. Here, you'll usually see different tabs such as draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. The invoice you want to change might be in any of these sections depending on its status. Now find the specific invoice you want to void or delete. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of invoices, use any search or filter options available like customer name, invoice number, or date to narrow it down. Once you've located the invoice, click directly on the invoice line to open it. This will take you into the detailed view of that individual invoice where you can see all the information such as the customer, line items, amounts, and due date. With the invoice open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button with three dots, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. This is where Xero hides extra actions that you can perform on the invoice. Click on those three dots to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see the choices to void or delete the invoice. Click either void or delete, depending on what you want to do and what's allowed based on the invoice's status and your accounting rules. Generally, voiding is used when the invoice has already been approved or possibly sent because it keeps a record in your system but marks it as cancelled. Deleting is usually reserved for invoices that were created in error and haven't been used or referenced elsewhere. After you choose void or delete, Xero may ask you to confirm the action. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct invoice, then confirm. Once that's done, the invoice will either be removed or marked as voided, and your invoice list will update accordingly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly void or delete invoices in Xero and keep your records accurate and tidy.